Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, you will learn about the Retrieve Asset Info node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The Retrieve Asset Info node can be used to retrieve detailed information about an issued asset. It takes the asset ID as an input and returns 6 pieces of information about the asset, including the asset's name, description, whether it can be reissued, the maximum number of decimal places it can be divided into, the device ID of the issuer, and the total balance. In addition to the name field, which allows you to enter a descriptive name for each node, and the connection field where you can set your previously configured Catenis virtual device connection, the Retrieve Asset Info node contains the Asset ID field in which you can enter the ID of an asset you have previously created in order to retrieve its information. Now, let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node Red hamburger menu, and click Import. Paste the flow into the Import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the Retrieve Asset Info node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. You will also need to alter the JSON object to match the asset ID of the asset that you previously generated. If you need to generate an asset to get your own asset ID, go back to the video at this link. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own. Great! Now you should understand the Retrieve Asset Info node. In our next tutorial, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch.